guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Nita here from Next with Nita, and it has been a hot minute since I've done a makeup tutorial for you guys. So I just did a giveaway with Laura Mercier, and I thought, let me go ahead and use some of the products that they gave me to create this look and film a YouTube tutorial, because I already know that I'm gonna get tons of questions, especially on my eyes, and I figured this is gonna be a great tutorial because it's so easy, and you're gonna see why in this video. So if you wanna know how to recreate this look, keep watching.
I'm going to start out by using this Laura Mercier foundation primer, and it's the Radiance one, and it goes on so smoothly and it gives you like a very, very nice dewy finish. I love it also because it makes my makeup last forever. Y'all know I've been loving Too Faced Born This Way foundation, so I'm just going to put some on the first half of my face and blend it all together nicely before moving on to the other side of my face. Moving on to the brows, I will be using Too Faced Brownie Pencil to brush out my brows just like you would your hair before curling them. And we're going to now fill in the gaps. I like to also brush down my brows and fill in the gaps up top that I missed as well. Once you get closer to the front of your brows, I would definitely go in with a light hand and then move in the direction where your hair grows. So in the front, I like to go upwards. Taking Night Light's Eye and Cheek palette from Laura Mercier, I'm going to dip my brush into Fresco as a good base for my eyes. Then we're going to jump into Night Owl, which is a very, very nice deep brown, and we're going to fill in the crease. Now this is the Caviar stick from Laura Mercier in shade Smoke, and this is the Hero product. This is how I'm going to build the smoky eye. Not to worry if you mess up a little, you do not have to be precise since we will be blending this out with a brush. With a blending brush, I like to go in circular motions to create that smoky eye. Now I'm going to take shade Sugar Frost to fill in my lid. This is a very gorgeous tan beige shimmer. The key to creating a really, really good smoky eye is of course blending so that you don't have any harsh lines. Lastly, I'm going to take the shade Vanilla Nuts and clean up my smoky eye on top and also just highlight the brow bone a little. Taking my Tarte Shape Tape in shade Medium, I'm going to now go in and conceal those dark circles. I like to conceal after I finish a smoky eye just in case there's any fallout. And I'm also going to take this and hide any blemishes. It's blending time again, and I'm using e.l.f. Cosmetics sponge to blend out my concealer, and it is of course damp. I did want to point out that I'm using shade Medium in the concealer, but if I wanted to actually brighten, I would use shade Light Medium. I still think my eyes need a little something. Wait. Laura Mercier Secret Camouflage always got my back when I need a little brightening. It's time to lock in the concealer with Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder, and I'm just going to use a sponge to press this in and let it bake for a bit. While that's baking, I'm going to take Too Faced Chocolate Soleil and bronze up my skin a bit. Now it's time to wipe away the excess powder. I'm just using a small fan brush to do so. Using the same eye and cheek palette from Laura Mercier, I'm just going to add in a little blush. Going back to my eyes real quick, I'm just going to take Orchid, it's one of the caviar sticks, and I'm just going to round up my eyes by putting this on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to grab Sugar Frost again and get the inner corner of my eye. One of the last steps is actually setting my face, and I'm using Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I love this one because it's not too drying, but I am only selectively putting it on my skin, basically where my T-zone is. It's time for a little glow action, and I'm using Laura Mercier Face Illuminator, and this is in shade Seduction, just to highlight the high points of my cheek. For the mascara, I'll be using Too Faced Better Than Sex, and I love this one because it doesn't clump and it is jet black, so it makes my lashes stand out. Try not to poke yourself when doing your lower lashes.
Wow!
See what I mean? And lastly, I'm taking Laura Mercier Velour Extreme Matte Lipstick. This one is amazing because it's not too drying, and this shade Vibe is actually the perfect pink nude.
Alright you guys, that is it. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It is so easy. Just using those caviar sticks from Laura Mercier just made the world of a difference. It totally upped my eyeshadow game. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you haven't already subscribed, I would so appreciate it because I think I'm getting close to 2,000 subscribers, which is crazy. So please subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions at all, and of course we will chat soon. Bye.